how to redeem HSBC credit card reward points. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to redeem your HSBC credit card reward points. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the HSBC website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the dashboard of HSBC, you don't need to log in. You just need to hover on the tabs on the top. As you can see, there are everyday banking tabs, there are borrowing tabs, investing, offers, and digital banking. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the offers tab, and right under the offers tab you will see a credit card features, and under that you will see a rewards program. So you just need to click that rewards program and you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, it will show you how or this what is the steps to redeem your credit card rewards. So you just need to read all of this to fully understand how to redeem a HSBC credit cards. And if you're ready, you can just go click redeem rewards right here. And as you can see, it will start showing you this, and you will need to input all of these details first before you proceed. So you just need to input all of your personal details, and after you put all of that, you will need to choose what type of HSBC credit card you have. So if you have a Premier Mastercard, you need to choose that. And after that, you will input the credit card number, your HSBC credit card number. Then you will need to choose what type of a reward you want to redeem. So if you want, you can choose any of this, or it depends on what is your preferred rewards. And after you select one of your tastes, you can just add a quantity and click next. And after that, you will need to agree on the terms and condition on the next page and finalize all of your information before you proceed on the redeeming your rewards. And after you're done all of that, you can just click redeem the reward, and right there your credit card points will now be redeemed. And yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.